I don't remember there being so much snow up top there.
Oh, look at that.
I think I'm gonna chill here, eat some food, might watch a podcast. This morning I finished a video, restuffed my cooler with ice, got job stack going, so if I want to work I can hopefully figure that out. Probably gonna hike later if the weather stays good. Back here making lunch. I just spent 2 hours watching a podcast and taking notes on it. Gonna eat, go hike. Hey Moose, you chill Moose? I don't want to scare you. I'm walking by you. Second time I've ever seen a moose. The first time was just a young one on the side of the road and I drove by. So that's fucking sweet. See the lake out there? Look at that view. Down there. These guys are way too human friendly. Yeah, he just goes back to eating. What the hell? These ain't like Iowa deer. Fucking up there. Talked to a guy my age named Logan from Houston, Texas. Pretty cool. Heading back to the rig, gonna head to Jackson, get some food, edit a video, pass out. Didn't do a whole lot. This hike was sweet. 6.4 miles there and back. And then